AR15 looking operating system shotgun. Imported into this country. Jim, Firebird Precision, from Mad Genius Jim, has created a real workable, shootable, open-class platform for 3-gunners. Yeah, it's got tactical use, everything else, but it really is built for 3-gun. His proprietary, super cool muzzle brake, really keeps the muzzle down. The barrel is tuned, free-floating fore-end, non-reciprocating charging handle, AR trigger group. Jim has really gone all out to make this going to be the platform for this year. Hauls ass. Jim, it hauls ass. Muzzle stays really flat. Comp really works. Dot is always in my view. I'm sure I can whack clay, but it's part of what I'll do next. I'll do normal, real mortal shoot some clay. Pull it. Pull. 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 Let's keep pushing them.
That's as fast as the thing goes. Oh, you missed one.
I did miss one. Damn, it's quick, Jim.